Is our planet dying?
Does technology shape our lives?
Why do we fight wars?
What's life in prison like?
How do you become an Olympic champion?
How do you get people to listen to you?
Can you trust everything you see online?
How do you change the world?
Does everyone think like me?
A programme for inquisitive minds. My World on BBC World News.
Hi, good morning. It's 10 o'clock this Thursday morning and you're with BBC News, and welcome to viewers from BBC World News as well. I'm Victoria, Derbyshire, here with the latest developments on the coronavirus crisis for you and here telling your stories. The headlines today. Relief in China as it records no new domestic cases of the coronavirus for the first time since the pandemic began in Wuhan last year. Italy, the worst affected country in Europe, is set to extend its lockdown measures after the highest number of daily deaths recorded in any country, including China. The European Central Bank launches a multi-billion-dollar emergency scheme to ease the impact of the worsening pandemic. The UK government says more details will be issued tomorrow on how children will be awarded their grades following the cancellation of GCSE and A-levels in England and Wales.
Our aim will be to issue people's GCSEs and A-level examinations in August, as we usually do, but it will be under a different process and a different system as to how we've done it always in the past with traditional examinations.
The government's doubling the number of military personnel who are on standby in response to the crisis to 20,000 in the UK. And there are growing calls for Japan to cancel or postpone this summer's Olympics, due to take place in Tokyo. Hello. The number of people who have died from coronavirus worldwide is now approaching 9,000. Almost 220,000 people have been infected. Some good news, though, at least from China, where for the first time since COVID-19 took hold, there have been no new domestic cases. But in contrast, Italy